Hello and welcome to my listing for the Radtel 910 Bluetooth programming. To switch the radio on, turn it on up here and it'll boot up and it'll give you the welcome screen. Then you use the arrow keys to pick what channel you want to listen to. They're stored with airport codes. So you've got some of the older airport codes, some newer ones, and then if you wish to change to the bottom line, you press the AB button and then you move down to the bottom line, because this radio can dual watch, so it can listen to two channels at once. And then if you wish to change to a different bank of channels, you can press OK, go to the menu, press menu 10 for a shortcut code. Oops, do that again. Menu 10, and you come to the zones. You can pick what zone you want by pressing OK and then pick a zone. So there's about 4 or 5 zones in here. Some of the zones have got CV channels, some have got marine channels, some have got air channels. You just need to have a wee rummage through them and see what ones you've got. There's the Coast Guard Channel 0. You've got all the different airports, marine channels. So you can have that zone in the bottom one, and then you can go back to the top and you have a different zone at the top. You see we've got zone 1 in the top left, and then we've got zone 4 down the bottom. So you can have 2 different ones. And then you can scan using the side buttons as well, using this band scope, which will show you what's happening in between the 2 frequencies. And exiting from the band scope, we're now back to the normal zones. So we're in zone 1, so you can press the shortcuts on the buttons. So we've got scan here, so you press and hold that in, the radio should come awake, and then press it again and it will scan. So it's now scanning through all the pre-programmed channels. This can take a while because there's quite a few, but it only scans through each zone. So you need to see if you're near an airport, pick the zone that the airport's in, and it will still scan once the screen's off as well. So it'll just carry on scanning until it picks up a channel. Once it's picked up an active channel, it will stop for a few seconds and let you listen to it and decide if you want to listen to it more. If you want to listen to it more, you can just quickly press the PTT button on the side, just a split second, and then that will stop it scanning and it will stay on that channel. That's a wee sort of hack, a wee quick. And now to enter the VFO mode. So the VFO mode is done with the VFO button. So that goes between channel mode and VFO mode. VFO mode means you can input a frequency of your choice, and then it will listen to that frequency. You can also scan on VFO, but it's very slow because of the amount of frequency range this radio has. This radio covers from, I think it's 18 megahertz up to over 1000 megahertz, so it will be a very slow scan because most traditional scanners only scan through a small bandwidth. I hope this video helps, and I apologise for the crap quality. I'm just not very good at this sort of thing. Thank you very much, and goodbye.